currently at our undisclosed location. I'm gonna go ahead and blur that out. Just got my code cleared. It looks like it's doing much better. I drove around a little bit. What are you singing?
Oh, I was singing Just You and I.
Just you and I? For now, we're gonna go to the beach.
Yes.
Get some footage.
I thought you were gonna say food.
Oh, you wanna get food?
I don't know. What would you get?
Nothing. I'll get you a lobster
No.
roll. No, why not? Get a lobster roll.
No.
You love lobster roll.
I know.
Lobster roll for you. Fly the drone, and she thinks she doesn't have it, but I know she has it. Watch this. So go ahead, hit the fly button so we can start this this drone journey.
Okay.
It's crashing this thing into the ocean.
It's a crash course. Where's the fly?
All right. So you see this little thing right here? Press that. Now hold that button.
I'm gonna crash it.
You did great. Great job.
Two seconds later.
So I took over for Kim while she was doing a wonderful job flying this drone.
Wonderful.
Wonderful job, by the way. And it crashed, and I lost one of the wings. So we're gonna try this again. Wait, but this one's not flying for some odd reason. My drone is broken finally. This thing has suffered tremendously, Kim.
It has.
What do you think?
It lasted. You have it for 2 years?
No, not even.
Not
I
even
had this
2
like
years.
for a year.
You take it to some place.
Yeah.
High wind.
That's it. Thanks a
An
lot,
amazing
beach.
scenery.
So this is the last of the drone shots for a while, guys. So yeah. God dang it.
Na 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 na. Na
Really?
na na.
I'm gonna let you explain why we're contemplating not modifying the Corvette.
We had an Evo. Went into the Evo project
Yeah.
to get modified, and we were left with just a shell.
I'm afraid too.
I'm afraid.
I'm afraid too, Kim.
The warranty on the motor, we lose everything. And then if it breaks, that's it.
How about if we end up getting to at least 10,000 subscribers, right?
Oh, okay.
We will modify the Z06.
I can agree to that.
It would make sense,
Yeah,
right?
it
would
would.
make sense. All right, so fun little drive to the beach. It's ugly out. Skies are ugly. Gonna head back and finish this combo back at home. I still can't believe I broke my drone, man. Guess that means it's time for an upgrade. That sucks. This thing was so awesome. So the beach day didn't turn out the way I thought it would. Broke my drone, but the car looks amazing. To enjoy it more, I feel like it definitely needs more power. You know, I'm just gonna try to get over this fear of modifying the engine, and we're definitely gonna go for it, man. I'm gonna go for, you know, some simple stuff at first, exhaust, cam, Nothing too crazy, and we'll see where we get as far as power-wise. So if you guys are liking this content, leave a like, because it definitely helps out my channel. More content coming soon. It's the beginning of the season. It's still kind of chilly. It's ugly out, but we'll get that content out, and I will see you next time.